Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Get big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now, XRP is coming back in this falling wedge. You can see you're really tightening in this apex here. Okay, and people are getting really bearish. Now, once you break this key level resistance here, you retrace to each point of contact in the wedge, and you can see that once you retrace to the point of contact here, you were breaking this key level resistance just there, which would confirm an impulsive break to the upside, taking out that high and that high, and you're looking at $4.50 in this bull run for XRP. So, you know, and the weak can sell into the strong hands here. Obviously, you know, it's all about your support and resistance. That's all it ever is. It's support and resistance. What's not good here for XRP is the fact that you are losing the 55 and you're consistently closing below it, but you've got some kind of break that's coming over the next week or so here for XRP, being forced down to test the key level support before making its mind up. Now, XRP here, look, every single target here has been met like a boss. So I'll show you, look, there's a fib target, there's your 1618 target. So basically you come up here, you retrace down to this low here, okay, and you put in an impulsive break. You retrace to this high, but you failed to take it out. And when you low ball down and you start to lose support, you lost this low, and with that you'll have a 1618 target down here at 65 cents, which was met, okay. I gave you this target. Came down, bounced, started to come back up. And again, it's exactly what it did here. Come up, retrace, come up, failed to break the high, and then it's rolling again. Look, it lost support and it came down, met the 1618 just there like a boss. Look at the wick grab, okay? So it's doing exactly the same. You've come up off the wick right now, ran into a key level resistance. You're coming back down here, okay? If you come down and you lose this wick low, you'll be in another Fibonacci target, which I'm going to show you, okay? So get the fibs into your charts. They're amazing, okay? And zoom out and use them, and you can see more of a broader view of what's going on. So right now, XRP, retrace to this high, look, tried to come up to this high, failed to retrace to it because, look, I would imagine if I put it on, it's probably the golden ratio. Look at that, retracing to that high. Boom, you've banged on the golden ratio, ran into it as resistance, and you're starting to retrace, basically. You're starting to roll over again. But you've not lost this low yet. So it's all about this low, okay? Because obviously you're coming up like this, you're retracing to the low. If you can hold this low and not fall any lower than this, you start to form a beautiful reversal pattern. You start to come back up and break out this key level resistance of this falling wedge. Then you're looking at a breakout to the upside here, okay? And essentially, look, this is just one big retracement to a normal level support before the continuation of the trend. Do you understand that? Okay, so for me to say to you that the XRP is in a bear market, or it's going to come down, lose these lows, and it's going to roll and lose this green trend line, would be hopium at the moment, because you're coming down in a beautiful reversal pattern, okay, and you're tightening in a range. This is a beautiful bullish reversal pattern. It is until it isn't, okay. The only way to invalidate the upside, obviously, if you lose support and you start to roll over and come down. So with that, I'm going to give you a technical target if you was to lose this low, and you can see, look, like I've shown you before in the 1618, just there, you came up, you came down, you met the 1618, which was this wick here, and you can see that right now you've come up, you trace to this high, so we need to get that knob on for you. So if, and it is a big if as well, okay, it is a big if, because this is, like I said to you, bullish reversal pattern. Break this resistance, start to come back up, and you can see we trace, and once you retrace that point of contact here, you're breaking out this white trend line, okay, which is essential, because that's a massive key. Once you close above that key level resistance just there for XRP, you will be an impulsive break to $4.50, okay, and you basically come up, retrace, come up, retrace, and your technical target will be $4.50. That's what I would be looking at minimal in this bull run for XRP moving forward. So, but there's no guarantees. It's all about support and resistance. So right now, if, and it is a big if XRP starts to come down and it closes below this wick low that you've put in here way back in November, I think it was, you know, if you start to come down and you lose these key level support and you roll out of this falling wedge right here, then your new technical target, where you would get some cheeky bids in, would be 49 cents, okay, the 1618 just there, because I've just shown you, look, that met the 1618, right now retracing, and if it rolls and loses support, that's your 1618 target, okay, where you get some cheeky bids in, come back up. But with that, like I said to you, if you start to come down there and close, okay, below this level here, okay, which is your low, then you're losing structure, okay, and that would confirm a bear market, because you're coming up like this and you're rolling and you're closing below this key low, which is your absolute rock solid low in this bull market. So it's so pivotal right now. You know, you're on a knife edge here for XRP. This is why I'm not telling you in a bear market, okay, because this is a retracement to a nominal level of support for the continuation of the bull market. You're holding this low. You understand that? So if you lose that low, down you go. But right now you're not doing it. For me to tell you you're going to do that is hopium. So there is some kind of break that's coming over the next few weeks for XRP here. because you can see on the weekly, you're coming down, you're tightening in this range here, in this apex. Now lose this low at 65 cents. That would be your technical target, 49 cents. But I think that would confirm the bear market because you're losing that low just there, and that's your key low, obviously, in the bull run. I've just reminded you, you know, so providing, and it is a big if, providing XRP can coil up here and break out to the upside and we get a spring for Bitcoin, which is what we're looking at. If you follow the Bitcoin videos, we're looking at a kind of spring over the next week or so, you know, coming down, retesting the lows and start to spring up out of there, that level of Wyckoff accumulation. Then XRP will follow suit and it will break out this kilo resistance, and then that's it, boom, you're looking at a beautiful upside here for XRP in this bull run, you know. And the fear was driven into the markets, and this, like I've reminded you so many times, was an absolute optimal entry point, you know, buy fear, buy blood, buy depression for XRP, and ride it up to that white line, you know, because from here right now, if you open a lovely leverage long on Bybit, that's a 513% long opportunity on XRP. But again, always set a stop loss, okay? Don't be greedy, don't over leverage, you know, and just don't be greedy basically. And always have a stop loss just in case it rolls, you get stopped out and you don't lose too much money. That's what I'm trying to say to you, okay? So high risk, high reward basically. So that's what I'm looking at for XRP over the next couple of weeks. We're looking at some kind of break here, aren't we? Because we are tightening in this range, and we're looking for a reversal pattern essentially on the daily time frame as well. We're looking for a beautiful reversal pattern to form on the daily time frame. Let's take a look at that, okay? What we're looking at right now for XRP. So yeah, it looks bad. You ran into the 20, you know, we've done this many times before. Run into 20, there's your low, come back up like that, create a beautiful little higher low, an ascending triangle. You start to come back up and break out. You can see that once you break out that key level resistance just there, your technical break target will be breaking above this key level resistance, and then you're breaking out of a falling wedge, okay, on the weekly time frame, which is, you know, a mega reversal pattern basically for XRP. So you enjoyed that quick little update. Where could you get some cheeky bids in? Well, if it does start to get a bit nasty here, put some cheeky bids on 71 cents, okay? But this low here, this is your key low. I do think if you start to come down, you start to close under that, you're in a technical target to the 1618. And with that, you're taking out that low there, and that's your bear market confirmation for me for XRP, okay? There's no bear market here. There's a corrective phase of a bull market. You retrace into a nominal level support for the continuation of the trend which you're in, okay? Take care, everyone. Back to another XRP update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye-bye.